everyone, today we are going to do the unboxing with the actual winner of the giveaway of the Moxi roller skates and me, Priscila TND. So let's get started. Hi Kassie, so we are finally with your skates. How are you feeling?
I can't believe I won. I'm super excited.
Oh
Thank you
my
so
God.
much.
Yeah, let's open it up.
Yes.
Right?
Ay. Esto lo tengo que hacer. No manches, qué emoción. Mira, viene hasta con stickers.
Ábrelo.
Wow.
Las llantas. Las llantas. A mí me encanta el color de llantas. Es como de cristal.
Se ven increíbles.
Tell us, Kassie, what you were doing when you entered to the giveaway.
I was literally just scrolling down Instagram and then I stumbled upon your post and it was a match made in heaven.
Oh my gosh, that's so amazing because just for chilling in your sofa, posting or just seeing Instagram, you stumble across this post and now you're here skating with the wind. That's amazing. I feel so excited for you, and especially because I know that you have been following me for a while, and I know that you also know about Moxi from a long time ago, right?
Yeah, it was always the dream, getting some Moxis. I was saving up. I just can't believe I won. It was so unexpected for me.
Oh my gosh, so wait, these are your first Moxi?
First ever. First Moxis ever.
It's so much more special.
Yeah. I can't wait to put them on.
Oh my god! Okay, so now tell us about the moment that you knew that you won.
Actually, I was having dinner with friends and family. It was about to be the new year, and then I just get this notification from you. I actually thought it was a mistake, and then reading winner of the giveaway, I started shaking. Oh my
Oh
god!
my god! I actually went over live on Instagram
I
Live,
saw, yeah.
and I don't know, 17 people were connected.
And
I
you
was
did a lot of tests,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, exactly.
Crazy.
I picked about 3 winners, and the last one was you. So it was oh my gosh! And the moment that I entered your profile, I saw that you were in Monterrey, Mexico, and I was oh my god, it's so amazing! Because I don't know, having a winner from Mexico meant so much for me.
Absolutely,
So,
yeah. I'm super excited. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So tell us about if you could say a message to Moxi, what would you say today?
Thank you so much for supporting skaters around the world. Let's open up this and invite everybody to join us. This is a movement.
Yeah,
It's not just a sport, clearly.
I love that because we are here exactly for that, for that passion, for that fun, for all of those things that we can't see but we can feel, right?
Absolutely, yeah, and we connected. We connected through skating, which is crazy. This is community.
Yeah. Okay, so let's put them on.
Yay!
Kassie, how do you feel the Moxi Skates for the first time?
It's amazing. It's such a different experience to everything else I've tried. I'm super excited.
Yeah, actually these are like, they have like a period of breaking them in. So make sure to do that and to know that this is not the last like feel of the skates, right? Like you are going to build that up and they are going to get more comfortable each time that you lace up.
I can already tell, honestly, like it feels like a second skin, just like you said.
Yeah, that's amazing. Okay, so thank you so much, Kassie, for like entering into this giveaway, for coming here, for like, I don't know, all of this magic. Thank you so much, and thank you, Moxi, for this like giveaway. This is so special to us. And yeah, everything else that you want to say?
Nothing other than I admire you so much. I'm super happy for this experience, not just over the skates, but over meeting you and getting to skate with you. It's such a dream come true.
Oh my
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yay! Thank you, skaters, for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye!